Okay, I'm making some major progress. I left it just like it was. Probably do a cleanup in the morning before I even get started. Didn't work back here much. Worked in here quite a bit, even though maybe it doesn't look like it, but let me give you a little tour here. Then I'll start it back up here again, just to show you how quick it starts. You know how you have a lot of plugs coming up through right here on a Fox body? We'll see how there's nothing coming through there now. I have a big grommet that goes here, and the only wires that's going to come through there now are for the windshield wiper motor right here. Just a couple of wires. All I'll have is low probably, but that's it. No wires. The TFI right here, the thing that was giving me the problem, the thick film ignition is what it's called. All those wires now go straight through right here. Okay, I haven't taped everything up. It's just right now I got everything running real good and everything's turning out great. But they go through where your speedometer cable. Actually, there was room there, filled up the grommet a little bit. So there's like 3 wires going through there. And also, what I will do with the mass air meter, not the mass air meter, whatever, it'll go right through here too. I'll think of it here in a minute. Okay, and for your solenoid, you know how you got wires all down in here. Mine all come through this hole right here. They're under the fender well, nice and clean. And over here, your mass air meter, it goes through here. This is not finished, it's just a prototype, but look how nice it's looking. Not many wires are coming through this grommet now. Okay, I can tape it up, make it look real nice. My salt and pepper shakers are way over here now. Okay, nice. Throttle position sensor. It'll fit right back there. Can move these anywhere I want. Okay, moving on into the computer. Okay, here are both my relays. Here's the ECU relay, and here's the fuel pump relay. This normally sits under the driver's seat. I moved mine over here. I'm going to keep them together somewhere here. This is where they're coming through by the speedometer cable. I haven't done much, you know, I need to tape a lot of this stuff up, but it's turning out real good. Give me another good day or two. Back here I haven't worked on the tail lights yet, so hope that doesn't give me too much of a problem, but I think I got that. Okay, like I said, I wanted to start it up again. Barely hit it. Here's some of my printouts I use. Starting to idle down. Hear the cam a little bit. About 31 pounds of fuel pressure. Just glad to have it running again.